What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Today we combined our gamer girl room and one of our wall boxes to make our backdrop, which brings back so many memories. My childhood was filled with Care Bears, Rainbow Bright, Strawberry Shortcake, Barbie, and more. Which is why I love that there are so many mini dolls out right now. So since I'm an adult doll collector, I can make my mini a doll collector too. I was reading the comments, and one of you wanted to see a comparison or a versus of Lego Friends and Mini BarbieLand, so we can see which minis are the best dolls for dolls. I bought this Lego Friends set on Amazon. I think it was about $19. Well, $19.99. We have to put stuff together, and there's stickers. So let's open up the instruction booklet and start building. I do like that we have to assemble the characters because that means we can customize them and make minis for our minis. This minifigure measures a little under 2 inches, can move at the head, shoulder, both arms move independently, and at the waist. And they can be balanced to stand. And they look like a pretty good size with the dolls. A Barbie can easily hold a Lego friend by just placing the hand under the arm. I'm not seeing any pixels, so yeah. And they have a lot of accessories that we have to put together and add stickers. And it's possible for them to hold some of the accessories. This set is Aaliyah's room, and we get a little dog and put together a projector with popcorn so the minis can enjoy a movie. And some of it can move, which I think is totally cool. Wait. Is it a cell phone projector? And here is the tiny cell phone? Oh my goodness, it is! Now let's build the room. And we're done. That definitely took a minute. My Lego building skills are kinda rusty. But now we have a mini bedroom to go with the mini dolls. So our 1/6 scale dolls can have a scene to take their doll photography. But since they're Legos, there's definitely a blocky vibe. Now this set cost about $20. We got 2 minifigures and a room with accessories. If you're just interested in the minifigures, I found this random lot of 6 on Amazon for about $20. It's on sale right now. It's normally $21.99. So that's about $3.67 each, or $3.33 with the current sale. Do you see that little cup of tea with a teapot? And the minifigures can hold it! Now let's compare them to Mini BarbieLand. This mystery figure cost me $2.99, so pretty much $3. You don't know which one you're going to get, so there is a possibility of doubles. Is this one going to be a double? It's a mini of Barbie Fashionista number 214. I think this is one that I was looking for. But if doubles aren't your thing, I heard that there is a code. That might be difficult to see in the packaging. These measure a little over 1.5 inches, and they can bend at the waist. It is possible for them to stand on a flat surface, and here you can see Mini BarbieLand next to Lego Friends. Mini BarbieLand is pixelated, however, the proportions are great if you want your dolls to have Barbies. Lego Friends are larger and customizable. For another $10, we can add a Mini BarbieLand house that's already assembled, comes with a few accessories, including a mystery doll. However, with the houses, we do know which figure we're getting, which for this house is Barbie Fashionista number 223. But wait, there's more. The included pet and accessory is a mystery, and we got the cat, which I think is one of the cutest. And we got a little cat bed. So with Mini BarbieLand for $13, we got 2 dolls, a playset, and a pet. They look great with Barbie because, you know, it's all Mattel. And I like that they are of dolls that we can get in 1/6 scale. However, if you want to customize one so your doll can have a mini, well, that might take a little more work. But it is possible with a little paint. However, the paint might chip in the movable areas. So if creating a mini for your mini is important, that's something to keep in mind. Oh, and what about Polly Pocket? This is Polly Pocket Barbie. I bought it at Target on sale for $13.39, regularly priced at $15.99. We can see everything that we're getting, which includes 3 Barbie-themed Polly Pocket figures and a pet, which is a little large for a Barbie Extra Mini. However, the style is similar to their pets, but it's pretty close in size for Lego Friends. We get a Barbie Dreamhouse. Some assembly is required. It can fold and close up. It looks like a house from the front with some curb appeal. The front door can open, and there are balconies. If we open it up, we have a yard with green grass, bushes, and pink flowers. A yellow sidewalk with sculpted pavers. Love that. We have stairs and pink stone, a pool, and a ramp. This can fold down. We can see into the house. The kitchen is blue. There is the front door, and there's an elevator on the side that can move with collector power up and down. If you look into that kitchen, you can see all the details on the stove and the faucet. On the next floor up, looks like we have a printed background that looks like a closet, a bookcase, and then there is a little bathroom with a toilet. I think that might be a shower sculpted onto the side there. The bookcase can fold down, revealing the bed. I think that's a light up there, and we have a little Barbie sign on the back wall. On the next floor, there's a little sculpted party area and a balcony. We can attach a slide, extend the roof to hold a swing chair. There's a yellow doghouse, a palm tree, a pool floaty, a table and chair set, and a little pitcher. Kinda love that. And I wonder, how does it look with Mini BarbieLand? The chairs are a little short, as well as the table, and the pitcher is too large, but you can probably get away with it. Can they sit in the chairs? Not really. Kinda, maybe. But here it is with the Polly Pocket figures. But they kinda move around in the chairs as well. This house also comes with a wheelchair and 2 pineapple drinks. The Polly Pocket figures are also posable with movement at the hips. They can twist at the waist and move at the shoulder. They stand around an inch and a quarter tall. So with our Barbies, they are a smaller doll, but I think they still totally work. And with the sale price, I think Polly Pocket gives us the most for our money since we get 3 dolls, a house, and accessories. But if you're just here for the minis, there are Barbie and Monster High minifigures at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And on my last trip, I found Laguna, which I totally was not expecting. Since we have Laguna, is there a chance we might get a mini Cleo? Now these are a lot taller, standing a little under 3 inches with their stand. They are finished all the way around. Laguna's stand is shaped like a coffin and has a little shell. However, some of the paint might be a little off. But if you don't need your minis to move, then this could be an option. As well as mini brats, which are smaller, however, they do cost a little more. But they're pretty close in size to a Lego Friends character. Overall, I like the Lego Friends because they are easy to customize, have a decent amount of articulation, and they're not pixelated. I like the price for Monster High, and I love brats because there's just so many of them. And I think Mini BarbieLand is fun because we get to see our Barbies in miniature. And Polly Pocket has a ton of accessories and details, and it's pretty easy to travel with. So when it comes to dolls for dolls, let us know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us for another Versus. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!